Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Remax login, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Remax login, start by navigating to the Remax website. Look for the login section on the home page. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password recovery page. Enter the email address associated with your Remax account. Double-check that the email is correct. Click the Submit button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a password reset email. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email from Remax and look for the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be taken to a page to create a new password. Enter your new password, making sure it meets security requirements. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Once done, click the Reset Password button. You'll see a confirmation message that your password has been reset. Return to the Remax login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Remax login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.